Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day, Miss Aina. So my name is Putri Nashmara Matul Israel. Today I will be presenting on the roles and responsibility of the master and ship departments in ensuring safe ship operations. Firstly, the master or the ship captain is the highest authority on board a vessel, and it is ultimately responsible for the safety of the ship, crew, cargo, passenger, and also the maritime environment. The master supervises all ship operations, ensuring compliance with the international maritime regulation such as SOLAS, MARPOL. The captain is responsible for making important decisions regarding navigations, voyage planning, weather conditions, and also emergency safety situations. During incidents such as collisions, fire, or grounding, the master takes command and coordinates all the departments to ensure an effective response. Therefore, strong relationship and decision-making by the master are essentials for safe and efficient ship operations. Next, deck department is responsible for navigation, cargo operations, and maintenance of the vessel deck equipment and safety system. This department is led by the chief officer and includes deck officer and ratings. Their duties include maintaining navigational watch, monitoring vessel positions, and ensuring compliance with the collision prevention regulations. The deck department also handles cargo loading, stowage, securing, and unloading to ensure cargo safety and vessel stability. In addition, they maintain life-saving appliances, firefighting equipment, and mooring system. These responsibilities help ensure safe navigation and smooth operational activities throughout the voyage. Now, moving on to the engine department. This department is headed by the chief engineer and is responsible for operating and maintaining all machinery on board the vessel. Engineers ensure that the main engine generators, pump, boiler, and also the electrical system function efficiently at all times. They perform regular inspection and preventive maintenance to avoid equipment breakdowns that could affect the vessel safety and performance. The department also manages fuel system and pollution prevention equipment in accordance with environmental regulations. Furthermore, engineers maintain emergency machinery and power system to support vessel operation during critical situations. Their technical expertise is essential in ensuring reliable and safe ship operations. Finally, the radio department is responsible for maintaining effective communication between ship and external parties such as ports, coast station, rescue authorities, and also other vessels. This department operates communication equipment including VHF radios, satellite system, EPIRBs, and also GMDSS equipment. They receive and transmit navigational warning, weather information, distress alerts, and safety messages that are important for voyage planning and maritime safety. During emergency, the radio department plays a crucial role in sending distress signal and coordinating communication with search and rescue service. Effective communication helps improve situational awareness and support safe decision-making on board. In conclusion, the master, deck department, engine department, and radio department each have important responsibility in ensuring safe ship operation. The master provides leadership and overall supervision. The deck department ensures safe navigation and cargo handling. The engine department maintains machinery reliability, and radio department ensures effective communication. Together, this department work as team to promote safety, efficiency, and compliance in the maritime industry. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shalina binti Muhalafi. So today I will explain the importance of safe manning seafarers certification and minimum age requirement with reference to the Marine Shipping Ordinance 1952 or MSO 1952 and the STCW Convention. So firstly, safety manning refers to the having a sufficient number of qualified crew members on board a vessel to ensure safe and efficient operation. Safe manning is important because ships operate continuous and require personnel to perform navigation, engineering, cargo handling, emergency response, and maintenance duty. Under the Merchant Shipping Ordinance 1952, ships must comply with many requirements set by the relevant maritime authority. Similarly, the STCW Convention establishes international standards regarding the qualifications and competence of seafarers. Without adequate meaning, the risk of human error, fatigue, and accidents and environment pollution increases significantly. Therefore, safe manning helps protect the crew, passenger, cargo, and the marine environment. Secondly, seafarers certification is an essential requirement in the maritime industry. Certification demonstrates that a seafarer has completed the necessary education, training, and assessment required to perform specific duty on board a ship. The STCW Convention provides internationally recognized standards for certification and watchkeeping. This ensures that seafarers possess the knowledge and skill needed for navigation, engineering operations, safety procedure, firefighting, first aid, and emergency response. Under the MSO 1952, officers and crew members serving on Malaysian ships must hold valid certificate appropriate to their position. The importance of certificate is that it promotes professionalism, equity, and safety at the sea. Qualified personnel are better prepared to handle emergency and make correct decisions during critical situations, reducing the likelihood of accidents and operational failures. Thirdly, minimum age requirement protect young people from hazardous working conditions at sea. The STCW Convention generally set the minimum age at 16 with restriction and night work and dangerous duty. Similar provisions are found in the Merchant Shipping Ordinance 1952. This required help protect young workers' health, safety, and welfare while ensuring compliance with international maritime standards. In conclusion, safe manning, seafarers certification, and minimum age requirements are essential for safe ship operation and legal compliance under the Merchant Shipping Ordinance 1952 and the STW Convention. Thank you.
My name is Noeliana Natasha binti Nashmi Azmi and I represent about training, safety and medical. Training, safety procedure and medical fitness are crucial elements in ensuring safe and efficient ship operation. Seafarer must be properly trained, follow safety procedure and meet medical fitness standard to reduce the risk and improve the operational performance. For the training is referred to the process of developing knowledge and skill required for specific tasks on board ship. Meanwhile, for the familiarization is introduce seafarer to ship equipment, emergency procedure, work environment, and also assigned duties. The important is for the first one is help to understand their responsibility. Second, improve operational efficiency. Third is enhance emergency preparedness. And lastly is reduce human error and incident. For example, safety induction for the new members, firefighting equipment and emergency exit. And last one is simulator and onboard training exercise. Next, for the safety procedure on board ship, as I have a common safety procedure, which is fire drill, advanced ship drills, use of personal protective equipment or PPE, and lastly is risk assessment before operation, permit to PTW system. For the first one is prevent accident and injuries, protect life and property, ensure compliance with maritime regulation, and lastly is improve emergency response capability. For the lastly is medical fitness requirement for the seafarer. So the requirement that seafarer must be is first physically is must fit. Second, mentally fit. Third, have adequate eyesight and hearing. And fourth is free from medical condition that may affect the safety on board. For the importance for this medical is crew must ensure can perform duties effectively. Second is reduce health-related emergency at sea. And for the third is maintain safe ship operation. For example is such as vision and urine test. And lastly is medical certificate before joining a vessel.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Afrina binti Khairul Azmi. I will be the last presenter and I will explain about the importance of professional competency and continuous improvement in the maritime industry. So, the maritime industry is highly regulated and safety critical industry. The seafarers, they must be responsible for operating the ships, handling cargo, protecting the marine environment and ensure the safety of everyone on board. So therefore, maritime professionals, they must continuously improve their knowledge and skill throughout their careers. Firstly, continuous learning is important because maritime technology, regulations and operational practices are constantly evolving. Modern ships, they are equipped with the advanced navigation system, automation technologies and digital communication equipment. As a result, the seafarers, they must continuously update their knowledge to ensure that they can operate this system effectively and safely. Continuous learning also helps the seafarers to stay informed about the new international regulation issued by the IMO or International Maritime Organization. Secondly, refresher training plays an important role in maintaining competence. Even experienced seafarers may not frequently encounter emergency situations such as fires, collision or abandoned ship operation. Refresher training, it allows them to practice essential skills regularly and remain prepared for emergency. Under the STCW Convention, certain safety-related training certificates, they require periodic renewal to ensure that the seafarers, they maintain the necessary level of competence and readiness. Another important aspect is professional competency. Professional competency refers to the combinations of knowledge, practical skill, experience, and professional behavior required to perform their duties effectively. Competent seafarers are able to make the correct decisions, follow the safety procedures, and respond appropriately during both routine operations and emergency situations. High level of competency contribute directly to safe ship operations, protections for the life at the sea, and preventions of marine pollution. In addition, lifelong learning is essential for career development. The marine industry offers various opportunities for promotion, such as progressing from cadet to officer, and eventually to master or chief engineer. To achieve the career advancement, the seafarers must continuously develop their competencies through further education, training programs, professional courses, and seagoing experience. Lifelong learning not only improve career prospect but also increase adaptability to future industry changes. In conclusion, continuous learning, refresher training, professional competency, and lifelong learning are the fundamental element of a successful maritime career. They help seafarers to maintain high professional standards, enhance operational efficiency, comply with the international requirements, and most importantly, ensure the safe airship operation. Therefore, continuous improvement should be regarded as a lifelong commitment for every maritime professional. I think that's all from us. Thank you.